our propane and natural gas 20 chicken rotisserie oven. First off, the overall dimensions. A length of 46.5 inches, depth of 19.25 inches, and the overall height of 35 3/8. On, off, and separate burners that can function together or simultaneously for each of the 4 levels. Coming over here, included would be 4 skewers to insert and cook your chickens. Internal dimensions, we have a depth of 13 inches, a length of 34 inches on the bottom, and the overall height of at least 32 inches. Coming in the back is a sticker showing the natural gas and BTU information, 110/120 voltage connection plug, and included will be the regulator along with the propane conversion kit. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.